EKCOLAB Analytics. Advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.
So you can go and delete the application. Yeah, this is the icon, guys. You can see, right? This is the EKCOLAB Analytics application with other applications in his phone. Yeah, you can go ahead if you can elaborate.
Yeah, so do I have to first delete it?
Yeah, we can get you.
Yes, so that is the application that you are seeing right here.
Just try to open it.
Let me try to open it, and then we see what can load.
That's how it loads inside.
I can first log out because it's already.
Yeah, so he's gonna log out.
Yeah, so that's how it loads. Let me kind of go back. Okay, so
then you can go to delete. You can go to delete. Delete it and reinstall it so they can see how it's gonna be.
Okay.
So you're gonna uninstall it. I mean, yeah. So uninstall it.
I long press and then uninstall, right?
Yeah, uninstall.
You want to uninstall this app? Yeah. So okay.
Then you go to the link.
Yeah. So the app has been uninstalled. Let me put the link. I have saved it. Let me get it from here. Zombie. Oh, my phone is loading slowly. Yes, this was the app I had gotten it from Mr. So this is the this is the link. I tap on the link.
Yeah.
So that's what comes out, and it's asking me to install EKCOLAB Analytics.
Yeah, so click on install.
You see? Yeah, so click on install. As you can see, EKCOLAB Analytics. Then I install.
So it's showing installing EKCOLAB Analytics app.
Yeah, it's already in progress.
Okay, I think it's done. So you can go back. I think the icon must have already.
Should be done. Let me check if it is there already. Yeah, it's already here.
That's it. So you guys can see with yourself. Everything is there. You can open it now.
It's already.
See again.
So I can open it again.
Swipe to next. So this is how it comes in. When you first install, you see the 3 dots, and then you have to swipe and go to the next. Right? Right.
Our methodology.
And then
so I can now log in. Tap this down and continue here for students or individuals. Yeah, so I can put in my credentials.
No, you have to go down. Go down, not there. That's the
let me see. Oh, it is there. I have to log in, surely. This login down here.
If you already have an account. So that's
I already have an account. Well, this login, So tap on that.
And then you have to come back here.
Then I put these are already my credentials.
Yeah, you just sign in. Automatically.
So I can sign in.
That's it. So guys, that's it. It's all his credentials. I think you can stop sharing. Thank you very much, Mr. Nicholas.
EKCOLAB Analytics. Advancing community resilience through automatic data analytics and insights.